ARD series motor protector has overload, phase failure, unbalance, underload, leakage, locked rotor, and other protection functions. Feature highlights. 1. Split installation. The main body and the display unit are connected by a network cable, and the protection level of the display unit can reach IP65. 2. Real-time acquisition of electrical parameters and the liquid crystal display of the 2 to 63 harmonic content of current and voltage. 3. Built-in logic programmable function. 4. View fault records, start records, stop records, etc. 5. Communication mode. MODBUS, PROFIBUS-DP, PROFINET, CE, connected with the main body by means of external modules. 6. The USB interface is reserved behind the display unit, which can export the information to the U-disk or upgrade the program online through the U-disk.